Hello everyone, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today we are diving into a powerful idea that can change the direction of your life. One hard choice will determine your next 5 years. This is not a dramatic movie moment. It is a quiet, real decision you make in the middle of your ordinary day. I want to walk with you through the feeling of that moment, share stories that make it real, and give clear, practical steps you can use right now to turn a single choice into 5 years of growth, freedom, and meaning. Hook line. The choice you avoid today becomes the regret you carry tomorrow. Make the hard choice now and own the next 5 years. Imagine waking up 5 years from now. What do you see? Maybe you see a calmer morning routine, a job that energizes you, money in the bank, stronger relationships, or a skill you are proud of. Now imagine the opposite, the same routines, the same small comforts, and the same quiet dissatisfaction. Both futures are shaped by choices, and often by one choice that starts everything else. That one hard choice might be leaving a job that drains you, starting a side project, learning a new skill, moving to a new city, or finally saying no to people-pleasing. It is hard because it asks you to trade comfort for uncertainty, short-term ease for long-term gain. Let me tell you about Ravi. He was a teacher who loved his students but hated the long commute and the way his evenings disappeared into exhaustion. For years he promised himself he would change next month. One evening he made a small, hard choice. He would give up 1 hour of TV each night to learn online skills that could let him teach remotely. That hour felt tiny and scary at first, but he kept it for 12 months. He built a portfolio, practiced new ways of teaching, and slowly gained confidence. 5 years later, he had a flexible schedule, more savings, and time for his family. The hard choice was not a single heroic leap. It was a steady, disciplined decision repeated until it became his new life. Now think about Aisha, who had a steady job and a quiet fear that she would always wonder what if. She faced a different hard choice: leave stability to start a small business or stay safe and keep wondering. She chose to test her idea on weekends, selling to friends and learning from every small failure. Those weekend experiments gave her real feedback and the courage to scale. In 5 years, she had a business that supported her and a life that matched her values. Her hard choice was not reckless. It was planned, measured, and kind to herself. So how do you make that hard choice without panic? First, get clear on what matters most to you. Sit down and write a simple picture of your life 5 years from now, where you live, what you do each morning, how you spend your evenings, and who you spend time with. Be specific but kind to yourself. When your values are clear, the right hard choice becomes easier to spot because it aligns with what you truly want. Second, break the big choice into a small experiment. Instead of deciding everything at once, set a 7 to 30-day test you can run right away. If your goal is to change careers, spend 30 days taking one course, reaching out to 3 people in the field, and applying to one role. If your goal is to start a business, sell one product to a friend or post one service online. Experiments reduce fear because they give you real feedback and a chance to learn without risking everything. Third, build a safety net. Hard choices feel less terrifying when you keep a part of your life steady. Save 3 months of expenses, keep a part-time job, or ask a friend to support you while you test. A safety net is not cowardice. It is smart planning. It lets you take risks with a cushion so you can recover and learn if things don't go exactly as planned. Fourth, set a clear deadline and commit publicly in a small way. Deadlines stop endless thinking and force action. Tell one trusted person about your plan or post a short update to your group. Public commitment increases follow-through because you don't want to let others down. Then measure progress weekly in simple terms. 1 hour learned, 1 pitch sent, 1 call made. Celebrate small wins and adjust quickly when something doesn't work. Fifth, practice the habit of reflection and adjustment. Every 2 weeks, ask yourself what worked, what didn't, and what you will change next. Hard choices are rarely perfect on the first try. They are a series of small corrections that lead you closer to the life you want. Be patient and curious with yourself. When you treat setbacks as data instead of failure, you keep moving forward. Sixth, protect your energy and relationships. Hard choices often require more focus and time. Communicate with the people who matter, set boundaries, and schedule rest. Energy management is as important as time management. If you burn out chasing a new life, you will lose momentum. Build routines that support your body and mind so you can sustain the work. Seventh, remember the power of identity. The choices you make shape who you become. When you choose to practice a skill daily, you start to see yourself as a learner. When you choose to speak up, you start to see yourself as someone who takes action. Small choices repeated over time change your identity, and identity changes your future. Ask yourself, who do I want to be in 5 years? Then make choices that match that identity today. If you are still unsure, consider the cost of staying the same. Comfort is a choice too, and it shapes your next 5 years just as surely as bold action does. The difference is that comfort often narrows your options over time, while a well-planned hard choice expands them. Choose the path that gives you more freedom, more learning, and more alignment with who you want to become. Choose the decision that future you will thank you for. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself 5 years from now. Picture the small daily routines, the people around you, the work you do, and how you feel waking up each morning. If that vision makes you smile and feel alive, take one small step toward it today. If it makes you uneasy, that unease is your signal to act. Hard choices are the doorway to a different life. Walk through with courage, curiosity, and a plan. Start with one small experiment this week, protect your safety net, and tell one person about your plan. Those 3 actions will create momentum and make the next 5 years yours. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Keep practicing your English, keep making brave choices, and remember, one hard choice today can create 5 years of freedom, growth, and joy.